What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Eagle Slayer 95 back at you with another video. Back with the juice once again. Well, that was pure domination from our Philadelphia Eagles, especially Saquon Barkley. Which thank you, New York, the Giants, for letting him walk. Did we trade? Nah, I think he had a 1 year deal with the Giants and he walked over to us, but whatever. But either way, man, what a fucking performance by Barkley. Just like I said in my preview video, just throwing it in their face and just rubbing it in with his play, not by his mouth, because Saquon's that's not the type of player he is or nor guy. But yeah, he rushed for about 176 yards, one tug, 11 rushes, something like that. He could have had more touchdowns or yardage. He could have possibly had 200, but they took him out in the, I believe, fourth quarter, and yeah, they took all the starters out by the fourth quarter, and yeah, it was our first double-digit win since Miami last year, pretty much, and still haven't scored in the first quarter, but that'll come in due time. I'm not gonna address that too much. I won't criticize it too much. Like I said, it'll happen sooner than later, but that's not what this video is about, because that can get fixed easily. And once again, no turnovers by Jalen Hurts. Had another perfect game. I don't give a fuck if it's the New York Giants. It's an NFL team. Give him his praise. I know the Browns aren't any better either last week, but again, it's a day-to-day league. 17, yeah, 17. It used to be 16, but yeah, 17-week schedule. You know, shit happens in this league, man. It's a roller coaster league, and anyway, Jalen Hurts threw a 41-yard bomb to AJ Brown, I believe, in the second quarter to go up 14 to 3 or 14, yeah, 14 nothing actually, whatever it was. And Makai Becton left with a concussion, so now we're down two linemen. Next man up, I believe Fred Johnson came in for Becton. It is what it is, man. Dallas Goedert's still out. He's going to be out for a couple of weeks, which is a shame and disappointing, because I like Goddard a lot. I love him to death, but man, is that dude made of glass. Granted, some of them isn't his fault, but at the same time, this one and in this scenario, this case, it is. So, enough about him. Who else? Who else? This was just flat out today the Saquon Barkley show, as it should have been. The guy's just so gifted and so athletic and so like talented and so humble. You know, goes about his business, does it the right way. Um, he trucked that one dude on the, I think, first possession, like the first or second, third play, put him right on his ass and got some yak, because that's what Saquon does, man. And defense got I think 6 sacks today. Even Josh Huff got a sack, of all people. It's about time, you know. Huff's coming along pretty well. Nolan Smith, Jalen Carter got 2 sacks. Nolan Smith got a sack. Who else? Nakobe Dean. Yeah, the defense were on their P's and Q's and just did what they did, man. Shout out to the defense. Shout out Vic Fangio. And yes, even shout out Nick Sirianni. You coached a hell of a game. So there's your praise. Um, Now it's on to the Bengals and Cincy next week. Um, you know, who knows how that's gonna go. Hopefully it doesn't end in a tie. You'll see what I did there, right? But anyway, man, it's your boy Eagle Slayer 95 signing on out of here. I might be missing some things to talk about from this game, but fuck it. I'll talk about them more tomorrow or in the coming week. With that said, it's your boy Slayer signing on out. Like, subscribe, and yeah, keep tabs on me, man. Um, there'll be more coming in the future, more this season. Um, we're now tied with the Redskins, 4-2 for the division. Dallas is on a bye. Yeah, man, let's get it rolling. All right, Slayer out.